Greetings, today we shall be unboxing the Hornby Eurostar. This is our box. That's the reverse, which tells you all the different extensions you can buy. And this shows you what is in the content, which basically your power base, your track, your train, and a track mat. There's your track mat. There's your Eurostar, your tracks, your controller, and the adapter. That's your locomotive, because there are two locomotives. One is a dummy, one is motorized. So that's the motorized version, that's a dummy. You tell it by the weight. And these are the coaches.